So let's click on Apply, and it says that the promotional code has already been applied. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video tutorial where I'll be showing you how to get new discounts for this year's Buen Fin here in Mexico. Every year we have this weekend full of promotions. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate coupons for Amazon. No matter where you're watching from, this video will work for you since the method is based on a digital platform. As you can see here, we have lots of offers on Amazon. In this case, I'm using Amazon Mexico, but don't worry, I'll also show you how to apply extra discounts so you can keep shopping at the best price. So, let's get into the video. Alright guys, the first step is to go to the following platform. This platform will help us generate the promo codes. You're going to type this URL, amigobot.chat. Once you're there, click on the Go Chat button. You can do this from your mobile device, no problem at all. Once you're here, you're going to type this command. This command will help us enable advanced features. Let's type it out. Now we're going to send it, and the platform will respond to us. As you can see, it tells us that we're now super users and can access all the information. A list of commands will appear. If I click on any of them, it will be written below so we can send it. The one we're looking for is the promo command. You can also write this out. Generate and apply promo codes for Amazon based on active promotions. Click on Send, and let's wait for the response. The platform tells us that Amazon promotions are only available for registered users, and that a maximum of 2 can be applied. It asks for the email associated with the account, and we'll enter it now. Very important, guys. As you can see, it's only asking for the email, not for any passwords. Be very careful because there are many fake websites that ask for passwords, and all they do is try to steal your account. Let's click on Send. The process will start now. We'll have to wait until it finishes. As you can see, the estimated time for the process is about 94 seconds. So we just need to wait this time out. The platform will keep us updated with messages, so we'll know what's going on. Alright guys, it's done. The platform says that the account has been validated and that we can proceed with the verification. Now, this step is very important, guys. We need to confirm that we are not a robot. Just click here on Verify You're Not a Robot. After that, you'll be asked to scan a QR code for verification. I'll scan it now and complete the verification. Guys, we've completed the verification. It tells me that the promotion has been linked to the account. Now, I see the code and the Verified button has appeared. Now, we need to go to Amazon. I'll add a product to the cart. Okay, guys, I've added a product. In this case, I'm trying to buy a PlayStation 5. It's the slim model, and right now, it's on a really good offer. I've already added a product to my cart, in this case, the PlayStation 5 Slim, which is priced at 7,490 Mexican pesos. Let's try the code to see if we can get an even better discount. We copy the promo code, paste it in the right field, and hit apply. Done. As you can see, the discount was 3,274 Mexican pesos, which is about 150 US dollars. That's amazing. So now you know, applying coupons on Amazon is super easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you can take advantage of these great deals. Don't forget to always double check the offers and make sure you're using all the possible discounts to get the best price. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.